सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर एक भरोसेमंद गारंटीड होम ट्यूशन है और ये होम ट्यूशन के अलावा ऑनलाइन टीचिंग का भी एक प्लेटफॉर्म तैयार कर चुकी है। तो ऑनलाइन ट्यूशन और स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक होम ट्यूटरिंग ये जो सारे फैक्टर्स है इसमें अवेलेबल है। तो इस सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर को आप ज्वाइन करें और अपना जो फ्यूचर है वो ब्राइट करें। तो इसी तरह हम इस सक्सेस एजुटेक और होम ट्यूटर इनको अपनाए, यही विनती आप सबके लिए।
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success EduTech. Today we are watching some GK questions for class 4 which are connected social science. Social science is one of the important subject for every students. Here are GK questions for class 4 with the answers. Who was the inventor of television? This question answer is J.L. Baird. दूसरा क्वेश्चन, what is the process of the release of water vapor bodies into the air called? Transpiration. This question answer is transpiration. Third question, what is India surrounded by in the north? This question's answer is Himalayas. Everyone is knowing that. Which is the largest continent? Which continent is largest? Asia is the largest continent. Which important line passes through the middle of India? Tropic of Cancer. Which large water body is to the west of India? Arabian Sea. Where is Bandipur National Park? Mysore, Karnataka. Bandipur National Park is in Mysore, Karnataka. This location. So next question. What is the major source of our food? Plants. This is the major source. Which city is known as the Queen of Arabian Sea? Kochi. Kochi is known as the Queen of Arabian Sea. On which side of the equator does India lie? North side. North side of the equator does India lie. So today we have watched some GK quiz and their answer which connected social science subject, and I wish you will like these all question and their answer. So I am Prashant Jadhav. Today I am completing my short lecture. I hope you will like, comment and subscribe our channel. Namaskar.